Namaskar friends, this is Shekhar Mainil here again with a new vlog. I'm sure many of you guys will love it. One of my nephews who has been watching my videos and other things, he was very curious to know my journey from being a hardcore neuroscientist to getting interested in yoga, yogasan, meditation and spirituality. He asked me this, quote unquote. Being a neuroscientist almost for 3 decades, what gravitated you towards yoga and meditation? It's rather strange for a scientist to gravitate towards esoteric and non scientific. Please explain. Because all my friends, including me, have a very skewed, often ill defined notion about this primitive ancient practice. So, nephew, sir, here is your answer. Okay? Now, if you have asked me this question 15 years ago or something more than that, I would have agreed with you. I said, yeah, that is esoteric, and I don't think any scientist should get excited about this. But my teacher, who taught me science, asked me this question: Shekhar, what is the similarity between a human mind and a parachute? I did not know the answer back then. She said, you know what, they work only when they are open. And that caught my attention. I said, if I do not have an open mind, I cease to be a scientist as per my teacher. And that started the journey into being open. As a scientist, it's always a good idea to be open. Any logical human mind is always best to be constantly open about it. Now, that didn't stop there. I was curious to know, and that got me interested into yoga. Why yoga? Because I see a civilization of more than 15,000 years survive and thrive till today. I asked this question. I said, what could have they done right in order to get to that point? And I found out that it is yoga and meditation. So I got to learn this science from a yoga teacher who taught me how to do yogasan even better than what I knew early on, and also initiated me into um, understanding what meditation is about. And he said very clearly one thing: if you can do what I told you for 21 days in a row and 4 hours sitting still, you have attained yoga. I thought it's very easy, I had no big deal, I can do it. To be very honest with you, 4 hours and 21 days in a row, it took me 9 years. It is that long. And at the end of the 9 years, I was almost in tears as to I could not do it. Because he said that the moment you break that cycle, like if you break 4 hours, if you do 3 hours and 31 minutes back, day zero again. So that kept on going and kept on going, and it took 9 years to do it. And I could not still do it. So I asked him, I said, why is it that I am not able to do this? I thought it was easy. 4 hours, 21 days in a row is not a big deal. He said, you know why? Because you are doing it. Your ego is in the way. And that moment, Shekhar melted. Ego almost dissolved. And I attained yoga. Thanks for watching.